Hello everybody, my name is Matt Dade, and today we're going to do some more JavaScript. Today I was planning to do some more JavaScript functions because I only taught you one function last time. So we're going to go ahead and start with our JavaScript functions. Our first function is going to be confirm. So before I start, I want to explain to you what I mean by two more JavaScript functions. So functions are things which you can use over and over again so that you don't have to type code more than once. We'll make our own later. But when I type in this, I'm not making a function. I'm calling it. That means like I'm activating it because the guy who made JavaScript already made some of the functions so that we didn't have to put all the lengthy code to make it work. So yeah, so we'll make our own in later videos. So let's start with this one. So this is the confirm function, and it's pretty much what you do when you want users to know if they're ready or not. So like say there's a scary image of a spider about to appear. Say confirm spiders. So what the confirm thing does is it brings up a text box, and it has this box under it has two buttons. It has OK or cancel. So if you click OK, okay, that's good. So now we can go on to our next function. Our next function is the alert function. So our alert function is pretty much the same thing, except it doesn't give the user a choice. It says it's usually when to use as error alerts, like whenever there's an error, but it can also be used to something's ahead, and the only way to stop it is to accept. So now let's run the real version of this. What? Type in spider. Oh well, cider. No. Oh, spider. Spider. Okay, so that's good. And we're gonna get to our last and my favorite function. This function is the prompt function. So this brings up a box with a question on it, what we type here. And it brings up a text box. So the thing about these prompts is the text box can be stored in this thing called a variable. So I can't do that in this video right now because of time limits, but what I show you what I mean is if I type in var space, see how it somehow turned italics and blue. Notepad++, that's what it does when you type a keyword. Var name, let's say var choice equals. So I'm declaring a variable, and then I have a prompt here. So this part of the code right here is not necessary for the prompt. So say if I were to run this. See, it still works just the same. But if you want to store your variable, we use this, which is what we're going to use which is what we're going to do in our next video. Sorry guys. So last thing I wanted to show you is how you could put more than one function in the same document. So instead of just having one confirm or one alert, you can have a confirm, alert, and a prompt. So we'll start with our prompt. Okay. Let's start with A. Confirm alert, and of course number 7. Okay, so that's our last thing, and we don't need this thing anymore. So before I delete this, I want to explain what this is. This is another HTML tag, which is an image tag. And just real quick, you type in img src, which stands for source, equals and a website hyperlink, which is where it gets the picture from. You have to type in the picture URL, not the website URL. This thing at the end. That means you're closing it. Because most of these, like say body, and the body, it has a separate closing tab, but this one just has that. Okay, so delete that, and let's type it. A. B. C. Oh wait, what? Oh yeah, I forgot. $sign. Okay. So, thanks you guys for watching. This is my second tutorial. It's right there in the title. So thanks for watching, and come back for more. And subscribe to Amazing Tutorials 101.